Chuseng như tụi nãy cho đây lia thế nữa ní sẽ có để ướt tua sái nữa ní sẽ bỏ ướt nè đây giờ nãy cho đây đúng phải nhau cũng to. Mà sáng sáng thì thấy những người sĩ mua lâu thực tư cậu em đã xịn nó trận lên tụi nó nộp tiền đã nhớ chữ kia còn đó
caring for the earth. And I'm trying to, let's see, I'll let Miss Neelan go ahead and get started.
Woo! My turn. Okay, kindergarten, are you ready? Okay, so we are going to sing in our best singing voices and our dance moves and show everyone the song about caring for the earth, right? We learned a lot about caring for the earth with Earth Day, and we also worked with East, woohoo East, and they helped us with a video that we'll get to show you after a while. But right now we're going to sing for you about the beautiful earth that we live on. Yes!
ta kỹ năng được sai nè ta kỹ năng được sai là sai họ nó ta kỹ năng cho họ nó đẹp với sai lươn lắm á.
Yeah.
Thank you, kindergarten, and thank you, kindergarten teachers, for working so hard with them.
So while kindergarten is sitting down, can we say good job?
Okay, go back to your lunch.
Like that, because I didn't know the moves back there. You did it. Okay, so like I said before, the East helped kindergarten, first grade, and second grade make a video about Earth and how we can care for Earth. So I want to say thank you to Ms. Ivy and all of the East second graders who made this video. They did an awesome job, so here it is.
Taking care of the earth is a global problem. That means it's a problem all around the world. Plants are a limited resource, and we need them for food and oxygen. They provide habitats for animals and keep the soil from washing away and provide useful products that people need. Every week, about 20 species of plants and animals become extinct. Nearly 70% of the world is covered by water, but only 2.5% of it is the fresh water we need to live. And out of that 2.5%, less than 1% of our fresh water is easily accessible, with much of it trapped in glaciers and footprints. Even though water is constantly being recycled, Earth's water cycle, people are using our planet's fresh water faster than it can be recycled. The United States is the world's largest trash producing country. 40%, almost half of the world's garbage comes from the United States. Recycling is when we take things we were going to throw away, but put them through a process so they can be reused again. Recycling saves energy, it's good for the environment, saves natural resources, and saves space and money. This is what type of trash is average garbage dump. There is paper, drug waste, metal, glass, food waste, plastic waste.
Rồi, cho sắc thi ở thi tư à?
To take care of animals with fresh water and food every day. Carpool is when some people ride together when they are going to the same place. These boys are getting ready to carpool home after school. When you walk instead of drive, it is healthy for the earth and planting things is fun and a good way to help the earth. Cooper Thompson, Go Digital, send emails and text messages to save people. When you don't have very far to go, walk instead of using the car. Reading cross is saving water by turning it off when you don't need it. Turning off the water when you don't need it reduces how much water we use. It's fun to help the earth by reusing solar for
자 키는 그래서
The earth is complete. Everybody recycles and
the last one.
Because it is the only home we have.
Chuseng the last one. Giờ Chuseng hả chị gửi chị nào đây?
What I want to say before I let Miss Hyman have it back is that, again, thank you, East, but also if you couldn't hear it, we are YouTube stars now because this is on YouTube and you can go to
Gentry Primary East, if you'll like our YouTube page, you'll be able to see this video.
did you get that? Gentry Primary
Để cho YouTube nó.
East, if you like that page,